Ever felt like people tune out when you talk? Your brain decides in seconds whether someone is worth listening to. In this video, I will show you how top CEOs and leaders make every word count, so people not only listen, but also take action. Hello, my name is Linda Milun. I'm a self-leadership and leadership coach accredited by the International Coaching Federation. You want to win attention, respect, in conversations? I'm breaking down 3 strategies that top speakers, leaders, and other people with impact use every day to win attention, deliver impact, and make sure the words stick. Whether you're on stage, in a boardroom, or just trying to hold someone's attention, these tools will change how people respond to you. Let's dive in. First of all, let's look at the problem. If you don't work on that and you continue with habits that didn't work out so far, you will continue to feel ignored, overlooked. Maybe you struggle with a lack of confidence when you're speaking. You feel misunderstood. You struggle to hold attention of others. You're not being seen as credible or compelling, or you're missing opportunities because of the struggle with communicating well. The ability to speak well is a multidimensional skill that affects nearly every area of your life. It enhances your ability to connect with others, resolve conflicts, influence decisions, and succeed in personal and professional settings. Whether it's through increasing your confidence, helping you build stronger relationships, or giving you the tools to persuade and inspire, speaking well is an essential skill that opens doors to new opportunities and growth. Mastering can transform the way you communicate, lead, and live. It builds authority, enhances relationships and connections. It strengthens your professional image, increases emotional intelligence, improves public speaking and presentation skills, and your ability to lead and inspire. Here are now the 3 things that can help you improve your communication drastically and hold the attention of other people. Number 1, power of the rule of 3. Learn how structuring your message into 3 key points makes it more memorable and persuasive. So when you speak, structure your message around 3 key points. It makes your message feel complete, not too long, not too short. And the bonus is that people are more likely to remember what you actually said. If you prepare a speech, you have to share something at a meeting, you will have to prepare for a difficult conversation with a friend, you prepare a workshop, whatever it is. Think about an introduction, point 1, point 2, point 3, and the summary or conclusion. You might observe that some people who create YouTube videos or public speakers use this technique. Sometimes the first point could be the problem. The second point could introduce a solution. And the third point could give practical tips how to do it. Or if it's about a specific topic, the 3 key messages about this topic are your 3 key points you would want to use as an orientation. Number 2, commanding presence and tone. Start to discover vocal techniques and body language tricks that instantly grab attention. Before you say a word, your presence is already speaking. How you stand or sit, how you sound, it all sends a message. Stand tall, shoulders back, own your space, vary your tone and pace. Monotone is a sleep portion. Use purposeful pauses. Silence can be louder than words. So use your tone of voice and your body to express what you want to convey to the listener. If you know that you have to give a speech soon, or whatever the reason is, it can help to record yourself while you speak it through, as if you speak to the audience, and then watch it. It might feel awkward and uncomfortable, but I promise you, it will start to help you understand how you move, how you speak, and how you pronounce things. And over time, it helps you to improve your communication, your posture, when to pause, when to take a breath, and what filler habits you have. Almost everyone has the habit of making sounds like or anything like that. These sounds make you sound more insecure or not as thought through. In general, they just don't make you sound very fluent and confident in what you're trying to convey. So it helps to record sometimes yourself and to observe, what do you do? What small tics and habits do you have when you speak you could work on to improve how you are presenting yourself verbally and physically. Number 3, emotional framing. Master the art of storytelling and emotional connection to make your message resonate. Facts are useful, but emotions move people. If you truly want to connect, make your message feel like something. Share a struggle, a win, a moment. Depending on the context, use emotionally charged language. Imagine, frustrated, inspired. Paint vivid pictures. Make your audience see it. When people see something, they remember it. Pictures can help them in the visual sense. Connect with your message emotionally. So make your message personal, emotional, and unforgettable. Now I invite you to try out these 3 things. Pick one of these areas. Don't try out all at once. Start with one thing and work on it. The power of the rule of three: commanding presence and tone, emotional framing. If you have already experienced one or two of them, then focus on the one you have the least experience in. If you want to learn more about clarity, communication, self-leadership, and leadership, stay tuned and subscribe to get notified for more videos.